Hi there guys, this is Nikhil from Greedy Tech and this is the third video in the series of 10 interesting apps. So guys, I cover only the apps, I don't cover games in this section. So there's another series going on for the games. So anyway, these are the 10 interesting apps for this video series. So let's get started with the first app, which is Follow Shows. Well, it is like IMDb website where you can follow all your TV shows. But the best thing about this is you can simply add your TV shows and it will show you which day they are airing. I guess I said that right. Anyway, so as you can see, these are the 3 TV shows that are airing on November 29th, and Flash and Shield are running on December 1st. So in this way I can keep track of which TV series is airing on which date. So it's a very nice app to have if you watched a lot of TV shows. So you can simply press this plus button over here to add your favorite TV show to the list. So you have all these top TV shows list. You can search for a specific TV show using the search button. You can also check out the new TV shows that are coming. You can have your recommendations based on your current list. All you need to do to add a TV show to your list is simply click on this button that says follow, and you can click on it once again to unfollow. If you go back, in the menu you have your shows section. So these are all my shows that I'm currently tracking or currently following. These are the TV shows which have more than one seasons. So there you have it. It has both the Android version and the web version. I'm not sure if it has an App Store or Windows version. So anyway, do check it out. The next app in my list is Gallery Vault. So guys, this is how the vault looks. It basically encrypts and hides all your files, images, text. If we go to settings, it actually has some pretty nice features. You can simply share any image or video from a gallery or from any app to this particular app to directly hide it, to encrypt it and hide it. And then you have some advanced features like hiding this app icon in the app drawer. You can access this app using the phone dialer. The thing that I like most about this app is you can move all your hidden files and hidden data to your SD card. You can unhide all your data at a time, which will simply restore those files to their respective folders, or else you can simply export all your files to a specific folder. You can also create a backup and restore your files, so that's pretty nice. And just in case if you have uninstalled this app and installed it once again, you can use this option called as Find Lost Files to recover those files. And everything works really well, and this is one of the first apps, or one of the few first apps which really made me buy the pro version, because on the free version you can't hide more than 80 files. At a point of time I had to hide more than 80 files, so I bought the pro version. You can just get started with the free version, and if you like it, you can go with the pro version. So let's go to the next app, and it is Folder Sync, and it is basically a cloud storage syncing software for Android. So let me quickly enter the pin. So guys, this is how the interface looks. You have your file manager, sync status, accounts, and folder page. In accounts, you can add your Dropbox, Google Drive, or any other cloud storage accounts from this list. And once you add your accounts, you can use this folder pair options to create folder pairs. You can do a two-way sync or a one-way sync. Well, two-way sync didn't really work for me that well, so I only use one-way sync. And I've been using it for more than a year and it works without any problem. So if you have any such requirement, do give it a try. The fourth app in our list is Cam Scanner. I have been showing you this for quite some time now. It's a document scanner. It basically takes a picture of an image and enhances it. Let me show you an example. So anyway, let me quickly take a picture of an image. Okay, I have something over here. Let me stop it. Let's close it. So guys, I just took a picture of some random label, and as you can see, as of now it didn't find any text readable because basically it took the picture in that way. So anyway, if I select this particular image, it will crop the image. I can crop the image any particular part and it will enhance the text. Okay, let me just save it. Now as you can see, this was not the original image that I took. It basically took the image and enhanced the text for easy readability. So a pretty nice app to have. It's very well integrated. You have all these tags. You can export all your documents, all your files to Dropbox or Evernote. You can take a backup to your local SD card. You also have a web interface. You have the website. Just go to the Cam Scanner website and you can have access to all your files over there. So it's a very nice app, and what I actually do is I sync it with my Evernote account so that I can even search through all these images. So pretty nice app to have. Next app in our list is Aftership. I never knew this kind of an app really existed until I had a requirement to track a third-party courier service. So all you need to do is you need to have a tracking number. You just press this button, enter your tracking number here, select your carrier. I'm from India and I was expecting this app to track courier services like FedEx or Blue Dart, but it even tracked Indian Post, which was really amazing for me at least. So you just have to select the carrier over here and then give it a name and you will be able to track this courier. Well, after trying this app, I have tried other similar apps, but they weren't as good as this particular app. Disadvantages of these apps is there's no sync option, there is no web interface for this. So you're basically stuck with a solo or a single app, but it does a pretty good job. As you can see, I've been tracking a lot of stuff. So anyway, let's go back to our next list. So let's go to the next app. It is YourWindow. It's basically a weather app. So it gives us this nice UI kind of a thing. So when I slide my finger from left to right or right to left, it shows me how the temperature or how the weather changes according to time. Well, nothing great is happening now. Well, if it was a rainy day, it shows a rain animation. That's pretty cool. And I guess it gives us hourly information in India, and in US I guess it gives us every minute change in weather. So just give it a try. So guys, the next app on our list is Pushbullet. So this is how the Pushbullet looks, and using this app we can send basically links, text, images, videos if the size is less than 25 MB, and any other file from basically any device to your device. So let's say I have two Android phones, a PC with Google Chrome installed. So I can install this Pushbullet on both my Android devices, let's say a mobile and a tablet, and the Google Chrome. And on Google Chrome we have an extension. So after installing all these three applications, I need to log in using the same Gmail account. So once I do that, I'll be able to send links from say my phone to the tablet or to the PC or the Google Chrome, or from the Google Chrome to the phone. Let's say I'm browsing something on the web and I want to quickly send the link to my phone so that I can do something with it. Let's say I'm browsing the web on my Google Chrome on my PC. I want to send that link to my phone. I can use this application to send that link quickly to this phone with just a right click. It's really an amazing app. Before this app came, I used to transfer links or send links using a online note-taking app. So there's this application called as Simple Note. I used to paste the links or paste the text that I want to copy to my phone in that online note-taking app, and it has an Android app, so it basically fetched the data from the web and I was able to access those links. But after this app came into my life, it just made my life very easy. So apart from that, it has some additional features like notification mirroring. So whenever I get a notification, say from Facebook or WhatsApp on this device, I'll be able to see that notification on my Google Chrome browser. I can even reply to WhatsApp messages from my Google Chrome. So that's very nice feature. Next we have SMS. So whenever I get an SMS on my phone, I'll be able to see all those messages in the Pushbullet app on my browser. There are privacy concerns. Say anyone in your home will be able to access your messages and your notifications. So that's entirely different thing. But for now, it offers a lot of features. So do check out this app. The next app in our list is LinkBubble, which is basically a browser. So it will simply improve your productivity by definitely 2 to 3 times. because it simply loads all your web links in the background. So let's say I open the Google app, and on the Google app it gives me some related or useful information or useful links. So let's say I want to open this particular link. What usually happens is when I click on the link, it takes me to a browser. But with LinkBubble as my default browser, as you can see, it's opened up the browser, or it opened up the web page in a bubble. So let me open up some more links. So as you can see, normally when I click a link on any other device, maybe it will take me to a Google Chrome or some other browser. So I'm completely out of this app. But now I'm able to load multiple links in the background and even able to do some other stuff. So once I'm done with the browsing, I can go check out the websites. So if I click on this bubble, it'll open up the web pages. So there we have it. So these are 4 websites. Once I opened like around 15 websites, and it was very CPU intensive, so I would suggest you not to do that. So there we have it, the websites or web pages. You can browse through them. I can even watch videos in them, but I wouldn't suggest you to do that. Next, I have some nice options like this. So if I swipe left or throw it left, it will open it in a default browser. For me it's Firefox. If I throw it right, it will go to the push bullet. It's simply like sharing. If I throw it down, it will simply close this bubble like that. So if I want to close all these bubbles or all these websites or all tabs, simply press and hold and release. So guys, on the free version of LinkBubble, you can only open one link at a time. So I had to buy the pro version. So guys, the next app in our list is the voice recorder. I guess it's Sky Recorder, I guess. I don't remember the name. I'll leave the name in the description area. So it's a simple sound recorder with themes and an option to automatically back up all your voice recordings to your Dropbox account. So that's pretty much about this app. The next app and the final app is Zui Days or ZUI Days. So all you need to do is simply add a particular day, let's say your birthday. So I have added my birthday and it shows me that it is 308 days away. So it gives us this information in a nice theme or nice presentation way. So that's something new. So it's 75 days from my mom's birthday. I don't know where this came from. So I have to wait for a day for the next holiday. 8 days New Year countdown. So some pretty nice stuff. You might be able to put it to a good use. So there you have it guys, 10 interesting apps for this video. If you have any suggestions, do let me know by commenting below this video. Do check out the other videos in this series. I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description area below this video, or else you can see this link pop up right now. And if you have any doubts, do let me